and welcome. People who know me know I'm always looking for cars. So I got a message from a friend of mine who came across an ad for a low-mileage, one-owner, well-kept car. I reached out to the individual who said come take a look at it. I called up my brothers, we got in the car, and we headed out.
I'm gonna go check out this car we found for sale online on some forum. Never seen a winter, even though it's a Michigan car. Every October 1st to April 1st, it sits in his daughter's garage here on Grosse Ile. Grosse Ile is an island close to the Metro Detroit area. And from what I'm seeing, I haven't been here in years, but it's quite a nice place. I mean, take a look at some of these cribs. Oh wow, did we already drive to the other side of the island already? Look at that. You can see Canada from here. Look at that ice, man. Woo.
Some of these houses were just unbelievable. Take a look at this one, for example. We arrived at the house where the car was parked, started our way up the driveway, and I noticed that the car was already uncovered. I also noticed that he may have been mistaken as far as to what year the car was. He did say it has brand new tires.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Stop. Tap on the very center with your hand. Here, 1 second. Come in here and pull that. Just pull on it, but not too hard. Pull on it. Are you pulling? They look new, the hood struts, and they're already... Hold on, hold it up. You do get this, by the way. I have to change the oil. I haven't changed the oil. That was what I was going to ask you. It smoked pretty bad when you started it. It lit out a bunch of blue smoke. Oh, really? Yep. I walked right into the cloud and I got a good whiff. And it's oil, so yeah, the oil is definitely old.
As I continued to inspect the car mechanically, my brother went ahead and took a look on the inside. It definitely is a base model and could use a detail due to the dog hair and the dirt and whatnot. Plus, the gentleman is a smoker, and there were a couple of burns on the driver's seat, so that would probably need to be addressed.
It rebounds good. Was it like I described? What was that? Was it like I described? Yeah. It's got low miles and it's clean. It's not rusty. Needs a little bit of a detail though. Yeah.
Same.
Huh?
Cool.
There we are. Ah. Oh. Full-size spare. Ever been down? Yep. single exhaust car. Oh yeah, it's a GS, yep. Yeah, I've had many of these before, but usually I get them from the LS, you know, with leather and everything. Oh, yeah, right. Never been in an accident or anything? Not a bit.
What I'm doing here is going around the car and checking all the seams of the bodywork, the fenders, quarter panels, doors, etc., and looking for rough edges. Rough sanded edges are usually an indicator that a car has had paintwork, and if it's had paintwork, there's a chance that it has been in an accident at some point in its life. And this is where things got a little bit confusing. The car was low mileage and clean, but for some odd reason it had mildew or mold and dirt all over the door panels.
Hey, mold? Yeah, there's like some spores building up around here. It's very odd. I've never seen it like that. I guess maybe there's some moisture in that garage. But all the door panels, there's some dust, but there's also some spots of mildew.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just from it sitting.
I didn't get the driver's side started up and let it run for 10 minutes.
And this is an 02. You sure? Yeah, I think because there's a significant difference between the 03 and the 02.
As respectful as possible, I informed the gentleman that this was not a 2003 but a 2002. He replied saying that he had purchased it brand new in 2003. However, I told him according to the date code on the door and many other features that the car has, it was definitely a 2002. And there's a big difference between the 2003 and the 2002, not just cosmetically, but mechanically as well.
That it's an 02.
I got it 03.
Yeah, it's the production date is March of 02.
Really? You see that? Look at that.
Oh, yeah. 3 of 02.
Oh, I got it.
So you bought it in 03. Oh, see.
Tells you.
In 2003, the Panther body, which the Grand Marquis is based on, received its first revamp ever since the 1970s. Chassis is more rigid, they went to rack and pinion steering, suspension is different, engines were upgraded, which is why I wanted a 2003 and newer, not a 2002 and under.
Just to feel it go through a couple of years. It's expired in front of November. I really that big?
I tell you what, get old and hard to move.
Mechanically, the car was in excellent shape. I mean, it's got 39,000 miles on it and it's been well taken care of, so you would expect that. However, being the fact that it's a GS, not an LS, so it's a base model, doesn't have aluminum wheels or leather, and it was an 02, not an 03, I really wasn't too thrilled with it. I made the gentleman a reasonable offer based on what I thought it was worth, and he declined. So the search for another car continues. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.